Guys, today I'm looking at some earbuds from a company called Eppfun, and I've got to tell you they're good. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, always love an earbuds review, and today I'm looking at the Cute Meet 300 earbuds from Eppfun. Now, Eppfun sent me these to review, and as you know, whether I get sent something or whether I buy it myself, you're always going to get an honest review from me, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, I've reviewed a lot of earbuds, and after a while, it really does get difficult to find out the differences and what is good between one set and another. But I'm pretty surprised at these, and before I tell you why, let's just take a quick look at what you get in the box. So in the box we have some instructions, a warranty card, the charging case and the headphones, and you also get a nice little cleaning cloth. And you know what? You're going to need this because this bad boy is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. And of course you get the USB-C cable to charge them. Now when we take the charging case out, well, this is the first difference. These feel pretty damn premium. Most of what comes to me is, or at least feels, like plastic. Even these hugely expensive Apple AirPod Pros feel like cheap plastic. These Eppfun Cute Meet 300s, which is a bit of a product name mouthful, feel premium. They have a nice weight to them, and they kind of feel like a composite kind of material. But I know it's pretty nerdy, but whatever, they feel good and are super slim, right? The case itself is a charging case, and you have some LEDs on the front to show you battery life. Once you open the case, the earbuds switch on and they go into pairing mode. And setting them up on my iPhone, well, it was easy. Just the usual, go to Bluetooth, click on the Cute Meet 300s, and boom, you're good to go. Very, very easy. And switching them on and off is pretty easy too. So if you want to switch them off, you just put them back in the case, and if after 3 minutes there's no connection, they're automatically going to power off. Now, just to note that these earbuds do have a total playing time of about 32 hours, and they take about an hour and a half to charge. So, what's the sound quality like? Well, I can tell you now that I listened to a bunch of different tracks, and I'd say on the whole, the sound is pretty good. Now, it's not as detailed as some I've heard, and has very little in the low frequencies, but you know what? It's good enough for listening to music on your phone. Now, to control these, it's all touch. Now, I know that that is pretty commonplace with these types of devices, but you do need to remember a lot if you want to use all the functions. There is a combination of press, tap, double tap on one or either of the earbuds, and you know what? Whilst you can play, pause, increase the volume, decrease the volume, activate your voice assistant, take, make, end calls, skip, rewind tracks, and whatever. You can even put them into game mode, which gives them an ultra low latency. It's a lot for the best part. I feel like 99% of the time I'll be using play and pause, and that's it. Anything else, I reckon, is going to be far easier on the phone. But you know what? If you want to learn the controls, they're all there, so no worries. Now, on the whole, these are nice. They are comfortable, they sound good, and using Bluetooth 5.2 kept a good connection even when I was several feet away from my phone. And like I said, they feel really, really premium. So yeah, nice. And they're IPX5 waterproof, and at a price of around £50, I think they're pretty good value for money. So guys, you know, that's all there is to say about these. I'm not going to do any sound tests because I've seen people do that before on videos, and you know what? By the time you actually get the video, you're not actually hearing what's coming out of the headphones, earbuds, or even speakers, or whatever you're trying to demo. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Eppfun for sending me these Cute Meet 300s to review. Now I'll leave any product and discount links in the description, so if you've got any questions or comments, drop it in the comments section. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Eppfun for sending me these. I'm Dave for Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.